In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the Territory Thematic Map. You can use the thematic map for any dataset that's been imported or created from within the software. There's two ways to open up the Territory Thematic Map. The first way is from the Home menu. You click on the Add View button, select Thematics, and then Thematic Territory Map. The second way to open up this map is by opening up a new tab, selecting Thematics on the left, and then Territory Thematic Map. Both of these methods will bring you to the exact same thematic map. So we can go ahead and close this one right here. To access the options, you need to make sure you've clicked on the Territories tab that appears when you open up a Territory Thematic Map. Here in the top left, you have a drop-down menu where you can select any dataset for this thematic map. If you've imported accounts, you can also show a thematic map at the account level, showing you a count of all your account segments, if you did import with account segments. So let's go ahead and select Sales. Here in the right-hand side, you will see the legend for this thematic map. So it shows you, based on the shade of the blue color here, into which bucket these territories fall into. We can customize these buckets by clicking on Customize Categories here in the top left, and we can add additional buckets by typing them in here. So we'll type in 20 and click OK, and right away you'll see those 20 populate here on the right side in the legend. We can also choose custom colors for different buckets. So let's say we want this bucket, which is our fifth one, which shows between 29 million and 30 million. We want to change that color to a green color and click OK, and then OK again. And this will highlight those territories that fit into those parameters that we've just selected. We can also change the color of the entire thematic map by clicking on these buttons here, or have an overall color from high to low. Clicking on the drop-down menu, you can choose additional different colors. If you zoom into the map, you will not see the sales territory labels appear, and that's set by default. But you can go to Configure Layers and turn on the territory labels like so, and then click on OK, and now the label will appear in the center of every single sales territory. And there you go. You've just learned how to use the Territory Thematic Map here in AlignMix.